on, Mr. McLaren. Come on, Mr. McLaren. Come on, he's already banged round. I don't stand a chance, he's already there.
Turn two. Just by your nose, just by your nose.
Where is he? He's over there, he's over there, he's over there. I'm on the car. Okay, here we go, last corner.
Oh! Wayne's got to do the big loop, mate.
Where is he? Where is he?
I can see the F35.